Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to delete TikTok account complete guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here to open my TikTok app. Just like so. Having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this profile icon right here. Like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings and privacy. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on accounts. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on deactivate or delete accounts. So it's going to take you right here. Now you have two options. The first option here is deactivate. The second option here is delete account permanently. If you would like to delete your account permanently, what you need to do is to simply click on delete account permanently and follow the prompt. Your account is going to be deleted. All the data you have in the account is going to be erased from TikTok account, from the TikTok database. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete your TikTok account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.